Did you know that not every change in your life allows you to modify alimony? It's crucial to understand the valid reasons for modification, such as job loss or your ex-spouse's remarriage. Acting swiftly is essential. Delaying your request can lead to financial penalties, even if your circumstances have changed. Don't let procrastination cost you. Mutual agreement can be your best ally. By drafting a stipulation with your ex-spouse, you can expedite the modification process and avoid lengthy court battles. Reaching a consensus not only saves time, but also reduces stress. It's a win-win situation that benefits both parties and ensures a smoother transition. When consensus fails, filing a request for order FL 300 becomes necessary. This involves submitting financial documents for court review to justify your modification request. The court evaluates your situation meticulously. Understanding the process and preparing adequately can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. Delaying your modification request can lead to severe financial setbacks. Learn from others' mistakes and act promptly to avoid accumulating debt. At Divorce 661, we offer affordable assistance in modifying alimony. Reach out for a free consultation and let us help you navigate the process without costly legal fees.